And so the other principle I want to talk a little bit about is called cellular food, cellular nutrition. So the first one is called cellular communication, and then cellular environment, and then cellular exercise. And now we're going to talk a little bit about cellular food, cellular nutrition. How do you feed your body on a cellular level? How does that happen? You see, ultimately, when we eat food, yes, we want it to taste good and satisfy us and curb our hunger for sure. But we also want to make sure it gets well digested so we can absorb it and metabolize it and convert it into energy and build muscle, hair, skin, bones, and be able to manufacture more enzymes and hormones and keep your cellular integrity going. At the same time, you want to eliminate the waste and run clean and efficient. That's the key to a good, healthy life. May this be making sense to you, but all in all, I just want to say a little bit more about that, because you see, these people who live these 120 years of life and never get sick and have these long quality lives that have been studied and researched, they live on a plant-based, organic, enzyme-rich foods, cultured foods and what have you. So back in 1973 when I was 21, and I was led to and learned how to eat a plant-based diet and go to raw, living, enzyme-rich foods, cultured foods and what have you, within 6 months I recovered, and I've been recovered since. So I want to say that when you learn how to do it and do it powerfully and learn how to get very creative with it, like for instance, I like to make like this thing called sprouted almond coconut yogurt. And when you culturize nuts and seeds and make different yogurts out of nuts and seeds, you can make these incredible smoothies and dressings and soups and dips and ice cream with them. But here's the bottom line. When you culturize seeds and make yogurt out of them, it releases the amino acids from the proteins that are in those seeds. You see, amino acids are your building blocks. That's what builds muscle, hair, skin, bones. That's what allows you to manufacture enzymes and hormones and maintain cellular integrity. It also helps you to break down the fats in the seeds and nuts where they become bioavailable. They break down into fatty acids. That way you can have healthy hair, healthy skin, healthy nerves, great brain function, and so on. It also allows you to break down the carbohydrates to glucose, simple sugar, so you can have lots of energy and abundance of energy, you see. The thing is that when you take these cultured seeds and make a yogurt out of it, and make dishes with it like smoothies and dressings and soups and dips and all that, you can make it so that it tastes good, it's satisfying, it's fulfilling, and it feeds every cell in your body. You see, the idea is to eat enzyme-rich foods, plant-based, and when it goes inside you, your body's easily able to digest it and absorb it and metabolize it and eliminate and run efficient. You see, I've been doing it for 42 years. It works, and it works very powerfully.